I'm Pooja Makhija and today we're going to be talking about hot, sizzling summer. And I would urge all of you to watch the video till the end because we're going to have an awesome contest and a giveaway for that. What are the foods we should eat and what we should avoid? Well, because the heat outside is rampant, we have to make sure that the foods we eat for the inside are not too heaty. In the sense, when we are eating very spicy, very masala khana, very high sources of protein, very high sources of fat, that's something that costs our body more expenditure in terms of digestion. So the lighter your meals can be in terms of the masala content and the spice content, the lesser the body heat that is generated. Also, like I said, proteins require a greater expenditure in terms of calorie burn when you are breaking down and digesting and assimilating the food. So we shouldn't be going on a very high protein diet for any reason. If you are doing so for medical reason or for your purpose of muscle growth, please make sure that you're quenching it with more water than on a normal day or a normal spring winter day, because your body is generating more heat, and this we need to dissipate so that you do not break out in rash or acne or prickly heat. So we don't want that happening. So please make sure that we don't do excess of fried food, excess of proteins. Our meals should be lighter, there should be more water content. So there could be more hydration, lesser caffeine, because caffeine is again having a dehydrating effect on your body. Use coolants such as jaljeera, coconut water, buttermilk, kokum water. These all help you to get the hydration in with a variety of water intake. Of course, water being the best. The more water you drink, whether it's ice cold or room temperature, whether it's detox water, whether you throw some fruits in it or not, but water is the key. So please make sure you're doing that well. Fruits are also something that I would make a crucial part of your diet during summer. They are giving you the water content. They're also giving you very rich antioxidants to get rid of any free radicals and any damage and sunburn. So please enjoy your fruits, enjoy them chilled. You could even make lovely ice cubes with fruits. So just, for example, take a grape, put it into the ice tray, put water in it, freeze it, so it becomes a cube full of, with a grape in it. You throw that into the water, adds a little bit of flavor. Sometimes you just feel like putting something cold into your mouth, so you could do those cubic cubes that you make of fruit. So it could be watermelon, it could be a grape, it could be pineapple, it could be kiwi, it could be a mix of one or two fruit. Fruit, mind you, not fruit juice. And you make it into a popsicle and enjoy it. Kids will enjoy it during summer. Sabja, which is usually what we put in faludas, is a very good coolant. I would put about 2 teaspoons of sabja in your 1 liter, first 1 liter, or the water when you're very out in the sun, because it has a very nice cooling effect. Sabjas are great. Eat small meals, eat them more often so that you don't overload your body with more work at one time. So don't keep very large gaps between your meals. You'll automatically end up eating a lot, and eating a lot means more expenditure for your body and generation of more heat. So small frequent meals is the key. Some exercise is important. Sleep is most crucial, so enjoy your sleep as well. There could be a variety of things that you do to make summer interesting as well as cooling. So I hope you do all of these and have a chilled, cool summer. So here's the exciting part, the contest. Well, the contest has a very simple question. What does healthy eating mean to you? Give me your answers in the comment section below, and the best answer is going to win an online consult with me on my very own health portal and app, nourishgenie.com. What does healthy eating mean to you? Tell me.